Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to our channel Bunty Kids. Start from colors name. These are colors. Learn about colors. Which color is this? Purple color. This color is a orange. Very nice. Yellow color. Red color. Green color. Blue color. Blue color. A. A for apple. Blue color B. B. B for ball. Blue color C. C for cat. Blue color D. D for dog. Next letter E. E for elephant. Next letter we have F. F for fish. F for fish. Next letter we have G. G for guitar. Next letter we have H. H for hen. H for hen. Next letter I. I for ice cream. Next letter we have J. J for jug. Next letter we have K. K for kite. Next letter we have L. L for lemon. Next letter we have M. M for monkey. Next N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Next letter we have S, and color we have yellow. S. S for strawberry. S for strawberry. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. Color is yellow. Very nice. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Next letter we have Y, and color orange color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Next letter we have Z, and color we have purple. Z for zebra. Z for zebra, and color we have purple. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.